Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Huawei Honor Watch S. In today's video we'll show what we have in this watch, what option can we use, and what option do we have for the music control. Also we will talk about the workouts and health caring, and in the next video we will show you how to connect it with Android and iOS. So all of this video will be in these days. So if you want to watch all of these, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. So let's begin here immediately. As you can see, the box is very simple. You can see Honor Watch S. The box is all filled up with Honor. You can see 1.4060 for AMOLED display, 95 workouts mode. We have full health monitoring, long battery, 5 ATM waterproof, and a couple more information. You can see immediately the box reveals the watch itself. Let's put this aside and see what we got here. In the box itself, we have here two pockets. In the right one, we have the warranty card and the user manual. They have different languages, which is always a good thing. And in the left pocket, we have the charger, very simple, good quality, which I have to say that I noticed immediately that it has a good texture to it, to this cable, so it's a good thing to have here. So back at the watch, you can see it's very protected. We have the plastic at the screen and this styrofoam piece. So let's power it on and see what it looks from the inside and see what we have in the software. You can see immediately I noticed that we have a very good color here, Honor logo, and immediately it powers on. So let's go ahead straight to the display and boost the brightness so we can see better. You can see very good colors, very good faces immediately, which we can change just by pressing it and holding it. Also we can download more in the app, as we will see that in the how to connect video. At the taskbar, you can see we have percentage of battery, date, time. We have some shortcuts for don't disturb and other stuff. In the left we have the data for whole day. Down we have the messages. In the right we have the heart rate. Next we have stress, which we have to enable it in the app. We have the weather, music control, and again the data for the whole day. And if you press the button, you will enter the app list. You can see right here we will start from the heart rate, blood oxygen, activity record, sleep, stress, breathing, music control, notification, weather, stopwatch, timer, alarm, flashlight, find phone, and the settings at the bottom. Here at the settings we'll see display, watch face, standby, watch face, favorite, brightness, and advanced. We have sleep and screen on timing. At the strength we have the vibration, strong, soft, or none, which you can change. It depends on your preference. I'm going to let it at soft. It's much better. We have the workout settings here, auto detect, we can activate that. We have the system and about as well. So this is the software of the Honor Watch S. Let's begin with some tests and see how this watch performs. The first option that we saw before is the workout. You can see we have here outdoor running, outdoor walking, indoor cycling, pool swimming, elliptical, rower, other, and we have the add option, which we can add plenty of more sports, which is mind-blowing. So let's begin with the first one, which was the outdoor running is the first option. Let's begin immediately, see how it does. So as you can see, we have the whole to customize option. In case you want to customize it, we have here the heart rate, pace, distance, and timing. We have steps, seconds, and calories. Next we have the heart rate with a statistic, again the heart rate, and back at the first page at the right we have the music control, press and hold to deactivate it. So basically this is the workout, plenty of information, enough as well. Now I'm going to rest my hand flat in the table so I get more accurate data. You can see right now we are testing the heart rate. You can test the heart rate with your hand lifted, but for the stress and blood oxygen you have to keep still, and other information that we'll see later. You can see the heart rate data works pretty good, and all these data will be saved in the app. Now we are testing the blood oxygen. You can see it says measuring, keep still. You have to keep the watch facing up, and you have to keep the hand steady and not move just a little bit because it will fail. You can see keep the watch still, and you saw that it fails on me, which means you have to keep the hand relaxed. You have the percentage of blood oxygen right here, the heart rate, and as I said before, all these data will be saved in the app. After the blood oxygen, we have the stress option, which will measure automatically, and we have the breathing option, which is always one good option to have. As you can see, you have to inhale where it says to inhale and exhale it at the same time as the watch. These are the result for 1 minute or of inhaling and exhaling, and that helps you with lowering your heart rate and blood pressure as well. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart device.